Step into the 2011 Chevrolet HHR Lieutenant. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: airbag, rear side airbag, transmission MT, transmission 4-speed AT, vehicle rear spoiler, airbag, frontal passenger airbag, convenience remote engine start, roof sun moonroof, and engine 4-cylinder engine. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.